Hey friends, it's Sarah Joy. Welcome back to my channel. I have a bit of a fun throwback video for you today. And I totally forgot that I had this footage and that I could post it until somebody reminded me today. I actually did this project well over a year ago when we were still living in an apartment on the side of the highway. It was super loud, it was not very private, and I wanted to do a project that would just make it a much more cozy space. Plus, in the middle of COVID, spending a lot more time at home, we were definitely spending more time on the balcony and outside just trying to get a little bit of fresh air, as fresh of air as you can get when you live next to a highway, but you get the picture. Over time, this actually turned out to be one of my most popular projects, especially on Pinterest, where it has just recently taken on a life of its own again. And somebody commented on it and said, "Why isn't this on YouTube?" And I thought, I really don't know why it's not on YouTube. So I'm offering it out to you guys again. Please enjoy this video. And hopefully if you live in an apartment or somewhere with a balcony and you're looking for some ideas, hopefully this is really helpful to you and you can implement it as well. I do want to make two quick notes for you. One is, if you're brand new here, I just want to say hello. My name is Sarah Joy. I post interior design videos every single Tuesday, in this case, exterior design, but you get it. And I'm always bringing you projects that I do around the house or design content to help you bring a little joy into your spaces. So if that sounds good to you, make sure that you hit subscribe so you don't miss a video whenever they come out every Tuesday. The second thing is, since then, I have seen like a ivy trellis that is expandable come out at Costco. And I want to say it's like 80 bucks a piece, but you could basically use that instead of this project that I'm doing. So if you want to save a lot of money, you can do it the way I did it, but now there's actually a product that is this exact same thing, which is pretty awesome. Go hit up Costco. All right, well, let's get into it. What's up, guys? I want to take you along on a project that I'm doing today. I want to redo our balcony to make it a little more private and a place where we can grow some stuff and hopefully keep it cool and insect-free and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be rearranging some things up here and doing a little project, and I'll take you along for it to see how it turns out. How it looks right now. I have several plants. Some are doing okay, some aren't doing so hot, as you can see. I just have them on this old bench that I used to have in my old apartment that I made. I have 2 rocking chairs, a little side table, and then some other plants that it's January, so they're not doing much so far. I have a little bit of astroturf. This, I had a really small balcony before, so it kind of filled it out a lot more. That's where we're at so far. And I have this plan to put some lattice up along here so you can't see it as well, and then kind of like fill in the rest up here with some sheer curtains. I have this curtain right now. I had 4 of them that were going all across, but they've gotten ripped and damaged and stuff because of wind and rain. I do have another one that was going right here, but we just ended up taking it down. So that is where we're at so far. And yeah, I do have a couple lights strung up, but that is it. So the first thing I did was I went and bought some lattice, and I got the vinyl kind so I wouldn't have to paint it, and it is like flexible so I could fit it in my SUV and bring it home. But I have to cut it today so that it's a little too tall, so I have to trim it up. And then I also need to cut one of the pieces so that I can use it on one side and then the other side. So I have a jigsaw, so I'm going to use that to put it together. But I have cut the pieces to where they need to be, and now my second thought is I got these little pieces of fake ivy, and I'm going to attach them to the lattice work to try to give it like a Frenchy feel. So I'm going to sit there and tie all of the pieces into the lattice. The rest of everything else is an absolute mess. But we're getting somewhere. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed that throwback balcony project. Maybe you'll take on something like that for yourself. I actually do still have those pieces just because I put so much work into it. I didn't want to just like toss them. So I actually took those, repurposed them, and hung them from our covered patio roof now. And so we have like a little ivy lattice kind of thing on our patio roof. So didn't totally go to waste. I might put it somewhere else eventually, but it is still put to good use. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment, and I will see you next Tuesday with a brand new video. Bye guys. What a wonderful